I'm Nina with True Potential Education, and today we're talking about what we can do to help with educating our kiddos that have a little bit of a hard time paying attention to things and staying on task. So some of the best tips I can give you is, number one, don't stick with one task too long. 5 to 7 minutes is plenty long enough, and then you want to try and flip it and work it the other way. So for example, if I'm giving a kiddo words to read and they're working on it and they're reading what I give them, then give it about 5 minutes and then turn around and have them start spelling and change it up. Then give it about 5 minutes and bring in a multisensory task so that they have something different to do, something they can or something they can work with their hands with. You can also keep those fidgets close, but make sure they're not becoming a distraction. And if we need to take some structured time to really get up and wiggle and get all the wiggles out, that's perfectly fine, but make sure we structure that. So say, okay guys, we have 2 minutes to wiggle, ready, go. Start a timer. When the 2 minutes is up, time's up, back to work we go. So good luck, and I hope you have fun with these kids because they have a ton of energy.